In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Notion. We'll walk through a simple way to set up a clean, easy-to-use checklist that you can reuse every day. Even if you're completely new to Notion, don't worry. I'll explain each step in a clear and straightforward way. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're on the main workspace where you want your list to live. At the side or top of your screen, you'll see an option to create a new page. Look for the Create icon. Go ahead and click that. This will open a blank page where we can build your to-do list from scratch. Think of this page as the home base for your daily tasks. Next, let's give this page a clear and meaningful name so you can easily find it later. Click on the title area at the top of the page and type in Daily Checklist. You can customize the name later if you want something like Today's Tasks or Morning Routine, but for now, Daily Checklist will work perfectly. Naming your page is important because as you create more pages in Notion, a clear title will help keep everything organized and searchable. Now, with your new page created and named, it's time to add the actual to-do list. Notion has a built-in checklist feature that makes this really fast. Click on the empty space in the body of the page where you'd normally start typing. Type a /, then the words to-do list, with no spaces in between, / to-do list. As you type, Notion will bring up a menu of options. You should see something like To-Do List appear in the drop-down. Press Enter or click on that option. The page will now insert a to-do list block with a checkbox ready for your first task. You can start typing your first item right away, then press Enter to add another item beneath it. Each new line becomes a new checkbox. As you complete tasks, simply click the box to check them off. This gives you a visual sense of progress throughout your day. That's all you need to create a simple functional to-do list in Notion. Create a new page, name it Daily Checklist, and use the / to-do list command to add your checklist. From here, you can keep adding tasks, rearrange them, and come back each day to stay on top of what needs to get done.